The symposium is really important because it brings all the people working together in Southeast Asia. We have 10 countries today. All the people don't know each other, so I hope that this first symposium will continue after with collaboration. It's also a great opportunity for ASEAN countries to have this kind of scientists involved in this project, One Health project, climate change project, related to veterinary and health problems. So I really hope that this symposium will bring a sustainable network on these topics.
Yeah, I think tick very important vectors that they can transmit the disease to animal and also to the humans. I think this symposium will be the first time that the scientists come together and talk about the ticks. And in the future, we will have the people to work with the ticks, more number of the researchers, more research about the ticks in the future.
I think tick is very important. As you know that tick is the main vector-borne disease that can transmit the greatest diversity of the pathogen to human and animal. That it can cause the substantial losses of the animal industry in worldwide. After this symposium, I hope that we can have the important research that study about tick and tick-borne disease in Cambodia.
This symposium is very interesting. I hope after this symposium we can collaborate each other. For example, I am from Indonesia. We have to do the study of tick in Indonesia from detection morphologically and then molecular. And besides that, we have to study about bioecology. Yeah, bioecology, for example, life cycle and then behavior. So it is very important to understand how they can transmit the disease to animals and also to other reptiles, for example, and also for human.
បាទចំពោះ conference នេះគឺវាសំខាន់មែនទែនពីព្រោះកាលពីមុនឡើយគឺតាក់ទងទៅនឹងដង្កែននៅស្រុកយើងតាមខ្ញុំដឹងព័ត៌មានគឺអត់សូវមានបញ្ហាចាប់អារម្មណ៍រឿងជាមួយដង្កែនហ្នឹងទេហើយជាពិសេសនៅពេលដែលយើងបង្កើតនៅ symposium នេះឡើងគឺយើងបានជួបទៅនឹងអ្នកស្រាវជ្រាវជាពិសេសនៅក្នុងតំបន់អាស៊ីអាគ្នេយ៍របស់យើងហើយនឹង professor ដែលល្បីៗគាត់មកពីបរទេសតែគាត់មានបទពិសោធន៍ច្រើនទាក់ទងគាត់ធ្វើការជាមួយនឹង TIC ហើយ symposium នេះគឺវាផ្ដល់ការសហប្រតិបត្តិការគ្នាហើយយើងនឹងអាចបន្តការសហការគ្នានេះទៅពេលខាងមុខបានជាយូរអង្វែងបាទ
Ticks are actually very important arthropods because biting arthropods because they do feed a lot on blood. But one thing is that it's one of those neglected vectors, and we have not done a lot of them. I've been working with wildlife initially before going into mosquitoes, and it has not moved forward for the last more than 50 years. And a lot of countries has not looked into it because we don't have the important disease for ticks. But I think because of the changing environment and a lot of these changing land use and movement of people from all over the world, it is becoming more and more important to look into these biting arthropods that may contribute to the biosurveillance of the different countries in Southeast Asia.
Hello, so I'm Dr. Sébastien Marcombe. I'm a medical entomologist. I am specialized in vector control, specifically malaria and dengue diseases. And recently I started to work on tick-borne diseases. So now in the world, the most deadly animal is mosquitoes, with a lot of different diseases such as malaria or dengue. But now the second vector important to transmit disease to human is ticks. So it's very important to start to work on ticks in Cambodia and in Southeast Asia in general, where the knowledge is not very important at the moment. So I think this symposium is very important, and it's the first time that we are meeting with specialists with ticks from all over Southeast Asia. I hope we will have a lot of collaboration in the future, a nice network all together that will develop each country the study of and the knowledge of tick-borne disease.